Se sabe, he cansado.
Se duerme todo el mundo seguro de escucharme hablar.
O la otra es comprarle una luz de la
Wong, can you start the class, please?
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday in Costa Rica. Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. First, to talk a little about the JavaScript we covered in the first week, I think the errors are happening because I coded some parts a bit differently during the live coding session with the HTML code. So I have uploaded the complete version on the Google Classroom, so you could compare it with the code you wrote yourself. And if you have any additional questions or error, I left the email at the Google Classroom, so please feel free to email me. And today, my team members will be conducting the class instead of me. So they might be nervous since it is their first time teaching. So please be understanding if they make any mistakes. So Subin will be leading the K-Culture class today, and Sumin will be handling the main class. So let's start with the K-Culture class. Subin,
Yep.
시작하면 됩니다.
Okay. Okay. Hello, I'm Sylvain, in charge of the second week of culture class. What I'm going to introduce is about the metaverse. The metaverse is a combination of the word meta and universe, which means a three-dimensional virtual world in which virtual space and the real world are combined. The metaverse is a combination of various technologies. Concepts provides a space for users to interact, communicate, and share experiences in digital environments. The metaverse came together with the evolution of technology and concept. The early concept of the metaverse was introduced in 1984 in William Gibson's Neuromancer, presenting an early vision of the interaction of the virtual world with humans. In 1992, Neil Stephenson's Snow Crash first introduced the term metaverse, and in this novel, it depicts the concept of interacting through avatars in a virtual world, providing the basic idea of the modern metaverse. In the 1980s and 1990s, a text-based virtual world called MUD created an early form on online communities and virtual worlds where users interact in virtual environments through text commands. The 1990s saw the emergence of early graphic-based virtual worlds. Users were able to explore their virtual environments and interact with other users through their avatars. In the 2000s, large-scale multi-user online role-playing games such as MMORPG appeared, and games such as World of Warcraft and Evercast, which we have heard of at once, became popular. Interaction and economic activities in the virtual world became active. In 2010, VR and AR technologies developed. VR, which means virtual reality, and AR, which means augmented reality, have developed to improve the immersion of the metaverse. With the release of VR devices such as Oculus Rift and HTC Vive, users can experience more realistic virtual environments. Advances in blockchain technology have led to the emergence of blockchain-based virtual worlds such as Decentraland and CryptoVoxel, opening new possibilities for the digital economy to secure ownership and transactions of virtual assets. And the 2020s was a time when the metaverse began to grow rapidly. As no face-to-face activities increased due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand and interest of the metaverse, a virtual world, surged. Many companies started investing in the metaverse and developing metaverse solutions that can be used in various industries. As a representative example, Facebook changed its name to Meta and announced its metaverse-oriented business strategy. This greatly affected the popularization and commercialization of the metaverse. Nowadays, various metaverse platforms such as Roblox, Fortnite, and Geppetto offer a wide range of content, and users can experience games, education, entertainment, and social activities through these platforms. Let's watch a quick video that explains what the metaverse is.
Metaverse comes in. But what even is the metaverse? The term metaverse was coined by writer Neal Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash. Stephenson described the metaverse in his novel as a vast digital universe that exists alongside the actual world. The metaverse is a virtual reality environment where users can communicate with a computer-generated environment and other participants. In the long run, it will essentially act as a 3D version of the internet. Furthermore, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, predicts that the core elements of the metaverse will take 5 to 10 years to become mainstream. However, the metaverse is rapidly expanding. You can see those ultra-fast internet connections, virtual reality headgear, and permanent always-on online worlds are already operational. If you currently own any cryptocurrency, virtual reality hardware, or even an NFT, you are already a part of the metaverse. Although the metaverse is significantly more vast than a video game, it appears that the gaming world has already embraced it. Consider the online game Fortnite, in which users have a personalized avatar with which they connect and interact amongst themselves, while also collecting virtual currency to buy costumes and upgrades for their avatar. According to engineers, the metaverse will elevate the virtual reality experience to a new level, allowing players to float into the virtual environment to do anything from buying land and hosting parties to even getting married using digital avatars. The metaverse is being developed further using mixed reality technology, which blends VR, which stands for virtual reality, and AR, meaning augmented reality. With the elements of touch and smell being a part of the metaverse experience, the immersion is further enhanced by haptic feedback, which provides vibrations for certain actions. The concept of the metaverse has greatly benefited from the introduction of VR devices like Oculus and HTC Vive. Games made specifically for VR headsets are already extremely profitable. AR takes this a step further by using technology to improve the user's sense of reality. But how will the
Examples of using the metaverse may be the biggest in the game field I mentioned earlier, but you can also find it easily around us. In our university, where 3 people, including me, attend, has been holding the metaverse entrance ceremony since 2021. Admissions students were able to proceed with the entrance ceremony by selecting the participating space for the entrance ceremony they wanted. These are the most recent images from the 2024 entrance ceremony. I don't know if you know this, but there is an idol in Korea called aespa, who debuted with the concept of a virtual world idol. aespa has a worldview set in a virtual world called the Wilderness, and a story of real-life aespa members and their virtual world avatar I fighting against a villain together. The video is about as password view. The video is long to look at everything, so we will watch it for about 3 minutes.
싱크아웃을 일으킨 게 너야? Next up is VTuber, also called virtual streamer. It refers to a content creator who streams online using computer-generated avatars. These avatars are typically 2D or 3D anime characters that are manipulated in real time based on real-time movements and voices. They are active on various platforms, including YouTube, Twitch, and offer gameplay, songs, talk shows, and the other entertainment content. Representative virtual streamer agencies include Hololive Production, Nijisanji, and VShojo. Each virtual streamer has its own concept and has a costume or hair color that is related to the concept, like the picture on the right. Performing idol activities using this virtual model is called virtual idols. A typical example is Plave. It is a group that has recently become popular and sing, dance, communicate with fans through virtual avatars like real idols. Using digital technology, it provides unique visuals, performance, and provides new forms of entertainment to fans. We will finish today's culture class by watching the live performance of the first verse of Plave's new song.
Wait for your
Gracias.
Okay, thank you, Subin. And moving on, let's go straight to our main class for today. So today we will make an actual model based on what we learned last time. So let's get started right away. Sumin. 수민아 목소리 안 들린다.
네, 좋아요. Hello, I am Han Sumin, and it's my first class during the volunteering, so I will try my best. But I am not good at English. I would appreciate if you could understand this. If you look at the workbook uploaded together, there is a more detailed explanation, so it would be good to refer to it. Let's start it. Please download the CSV file you uploaded to Google Classroom before starting the class. Without this file, today's class cannot proceed. In today's class, we are going to do regression analysis with the data. I hope you follow me well and do a thumbs up when you completed the practice. First, we are file upload the Google Core Web. Let's be together. Please turn on the Google Core Web like this. And then click the file shape and click the upload file buttons. Find the location of the downloaded file and upload it. If you receive the warning message like this, please press the OK buttons. If you like seeing the like this, it's a success for uploading. And then copy the file path. You paste this code your file path and then running to this. I wait for you. Please. You have a like this screen? Yes, good. Let's move on. The next. After passing the data, proceed to data.head. Data.head helps you determine the structure of the data frame and the name of each columns. This is critical for understanding what information your dataset contains. For example, dataset above contains variable properties of coffee beans. I will give you time. Just data.add. If you have any question, please feel free to tell me. Okay, move on. Yes, let's visualization to the total cut points. You will be begin by using a histogram to visualization the distribution of the target variable total cut points, which will help you understand how the target variable is distributed according to different values. I will give you some times, and you can refer to the attached Google Colab for today's code in my Google class. The run results show the frequency distribution of the total cut point variables. Then, let's create the pair plot to visualize the relationship between all variables in the given data. I will give you sometimes is be have a little bit times. Pair plot helps identify potential correlation and interactions between variables. This plot creates the scatter plots for each pair of variable and a histogram for individual variables. Help identify relationship and potential correlation between feature and target variables. Like this. The result screen is like this. This is a SN pair plot. Move on. So let's create correlation matrix heat map to visualization the correlation between numerical variable in the data. The correlation matrix is a table that shows the correlation coefficients between the variables. Each cell in the table shows the correlation between the two variables. It helps you understand the linear relationship between the feature and the target variables. I have attached the details of the function to PPT, so please refer to them if you need them. And next page. So I will give you sometimes. The correlation matrix has a stronger positive correlation as the red color increase, and a stronger negative correlation as the blue color increase. Let's process the missing values of the data. The missing values in the data set must be checked and handled appropriately. Missing values can negatively affect the performance of machine learning models. First, let's identify the missing values. Looking at the execution result, it can be seen that there are 132 missing values in the ICO number columns, like this. Now that we have checked the identified values, we need to process them. In this case, we will fill in the columns that are numbers with the min and the columns that are letters with the most frequent values. I will give you time. After that, isNar. If you checking using isNar, you can see that the missing value is 0, like this. Let's proceed with data normalization. We will make the numerical picture normalizate to the same scale. We will use the min-max color, the scale numerical picture to range between 0 and 1. I will have a time. After that, if you output the result, it can be seen that it has been adjusted between 0 and 1. Normalization allows our oblique pictures to have values between 0 and 1, helping to improve the performance of machine learning models. Let's start the one-hot encoding. Categorical values must be transformation into numerical format using one-hot encoding. We will perform one-hot encoding on categorical columns using the getDummies function of pandas. I will give you time and you finish the thumbs up, please. One-hot encoding is a technique for inverting categorical data into binary values. When you look at the one-hot encode data frame, several columns are converted into binary values, and each row is marked with false or true. Let's extend exciting numerical values by creating polynomial properties. The combine these extend polynomial properties with the original data frame. Generating new feature from existing features can sometimes compute more information and improve the productive power of the models. This code generates and adds polynomial feature to given data frame. This is the process of adding new columns by generating polynomial combinations for given numerical columns. This creates new features that can improve the performance of the models. a new polynomial pro property has been added that was not in the original data frame. For example, new properties such as square values of the hydrogen or multiplication of category soccer defects and Quakers has been added. And then let's normalize the distribution of data through normal logarithmic transformation and make destroyed data easier to handle. Variation of existing feature can help normalize data distribution and improve model performance. Log transformation can help deal with destroyed data distributions. I will complete this page and have 15 minutes of break time. New performing logarithmic transformation, it is essential to check because it can only proceed in the numeric and positive columns. I will have a break time of up to 20 minutes. It's a break time.
Okay, thank you. So we'll continue at 3:22 Costa Rican time, right?
Yes.
All right. See you. Chicos, vamos a hacer un receso de 20 minutos esta vez. Entonces, continuaríamos a las 3:32, 3:22, perdón, 20 minutos. Y nos vemos para continuar. Gracias. También les recuerdo a los que entraron un poquillo tarde que al puro inicio, G1 nos comentó que la corrección del código de la primera clase ya la subió al Classroom. Entonces, para que puedan descargar dicha corrección y compararlo con lo que tenían, los que les está dando el errorcillo del for y el HTML.